First, welcome to Swift for tutorial for beginner. Today I will show the example of Swift data type. There are lots kind of data and Swift handle them individually. So data type is string, integer, boolean, and float and double. So how we can declare the string, integer, boolean, and float data type? So we can two way set the data in variable. One is the when we declaring the variable, that time we assign the variable data. One another is annotation. So at first we take the we will discuss about the string data type, that is the bar name equal to Smith. So first line we declare the variable, and second line we assign the value. So this way we cannot assign the variable data, it will show the error. So this way is right, assign the data to the variable. This is the normal data type, this is string, and another is type annotation. So how we can declare the type annotation? This is the bar this is the variable, suppose the platform, and we'll declare the platform data type is string. So we have declared the platform data type is string. Then we will assign the platform string platform equal to iOS. So this is right way to assigning the data, the annotation. This is the string type variable, and then we assign the variable data. So now we can find data find platform. So this is platform data is pinned is iOS. Now I will show the integer data type. Bar is int. This is the age is integer type data. And we set the value is equal to 30. We can find the age. So this is integer type data, integer type variable, and we find the integer variable age. This is the showing the 30. So now we'll show the, suppose a is integer type, we will assign string test string. So this showing the error because age is in integer type, but I have assigned the assigned value, integer type is string value assigned to the integer variable. So it is showing the showing error. Swift it is strictly handle the data type. So this is error showing the cannot assign value of string to type integer. Now I will show the double data type. This is the latitude double, assign the latitude value 36.1566, print latitude so this is latitude is double type data. And now we'll show the float longitude float longitude equal to as like minus 86.7805, print longitude. So showing the longitude float type data. Now we will see the boolean data type. Suppose boolean data type is bar plug bool. This is the boolean data type is plug. Now set the plug value is true. We can print the plug true. This is the showing the true. Now set the false. Sorry, this is the plug. So this is showing the plug. This is boolean data type is plug. In set the plug is false and show the false data type. Here is we can overview again. Here is string data type. The string data type, and here is the um, integer data type. integer data type is age. Here option. So, okay. This is the integer data type, and this is the double data type. Double data type, and this is the float data type, variable value. And this is the boolean data type, boolean data type. So running playground take a few seconds. Latitude. Our playground is running. So this is the sweep data type is string, integer, boolean, and float. And this is the string type data. We declare and set the string variable. And this is the integer data type. Set the integer value. And this is the double type data, and set the double type data variable in the double type. And this is the float type data, and this is the boolean type data. It takes some problem maybe running in the playground. This is the correct code. Thank you.